All right, everybody, we're back for lesson 1.5 on the STAAR study guide. And this is all about square roots. We haven't covered this. Most of you haven't covered this in class yet, but that's okay. We're going to go through it anyway and talk through using the calculator to solve these problems like we have been doing. It's going to be slightly different this time because we're not really going to be focusing on the graph. But let's go ahead and go down to the first question. So it has square root of 27, and then it has what is it equal to? And so we're going to go ahead and first talk about how to type square roots into the calculator. So there's one of two ways. You can click this little button down here, show keypad, and that will show you all the calculator tools and functions. So I'm going to move me up here. So the main way is going to be this button here, square root 27. Also, just so you know, you can type SQRT, and SQRT will make a square root symbol. But let's focus on using the button. So square root of 27. And you can see the answer appears right here on the calculator. So then I go to another line and I start typing in the answer choices. Obviously, 3 is not the answer. That one's easy because 5.19 is not 3. So we'll go 3 square root of 2. So 3 square root 2. Okay, 4.24. Not the correct answer. Now we'll type 3 square root of 3. I'm going to just go in here and I'm going to change this 2 to a 3. And so now we see that's the correct answer. So 3 square root of 3 will be the correct answer. And that's what you're doing in this whole section. I'm going to jump down and do one where there's a fraction. So why don't I just jump down and do the last problem. Square root of 225 divided by 11. Okay. So we'll have to see how to type this in appropriately. You'll have to do the 2 through 5 on your own, but they're more or less the same, but I want to do at least one with a fraction. So number 6, square root, again, square root of 225. And then remember division, you can just click this divide button, or you can use the slash on your keyboard, divided by 11. Oh, and now we see I was out of my fraction, so I need to go back in and type my 11 inside there. So you can always just click in there to make that happen if you need to. Okay, 4.52. So now we start going through. 15 divided by 11. First answer choice, not correct. 15 square root 11 divided by 11. So that second answer choice, 15 square root of 11 divided by 11, gives us the correct answer. These match each other. So then that is my correct response. And that's how you do this lesson. It's pretty straightforward. So just go ahead and do the rest of the questions that we didn't cover.